my sense as though of hemlock I had drunk or emptied some dull opiate to the drains. 1 minute passed and Lethe-wards had sunk. 'Tis not through envy of thy happy lot, but being too happy in thine happiness, that thou light-winged Dryad of the trees, in some weariness do have beechen green and shadows numberless. Singest of summer in full-throated ease, fade far away, dissolve and quite forget what thou among the leaves hast never known. The weariness, the fever, and the fret. Here women sit and hear each other groan, where palsy shakes a few sad last gray hairs, where youth grows pale and spent and thin and dies, where but to think is to be full of sorrow, and leaden-eyed despair, where beauty cannot keep her lustrous eyes on you. Love pine at them beyond to-morrow. I cannot see what flowers are at my feet, nor what soft incense hangs upon the boughs, but in embalmed darkness guess each sweet. Wherewith the seasonable months and doors, the grass, the thicket, and the fruit tree wild, white hawthorn, and the pastoral eglantine, fast fading violets covered up in leaves, and mid-May's eldest child, the coming musk rose, full of dewy wine, the murmurous haunt of flies on summer eves. Thou wast not born for death, immortal bird. No hungry generations tread thee down. The voice I hear this passing night was heard in ancient days by emperor and clown. Perhaps the self-same song that found a path through the sad heart of Ruth when sick for home. She stood in tears amid the alien corn, the same that oft times hath charmed magic casements, opening on the foam of perilous seas in fairy lands forlorn. anthem fades past the near meadows, over the still stream, up the hillside, and now 'tis buried deep in the next valley glades. Was it a vision or a waking dream? Fled is that music. Do I wake or sleep?